we are driving to the ferry actually, where we'll make stop to film the volcano, but this is how it looks today on December 9th. It's plus 18 degrees outside. Volcano is steaming incredibly much and wind is driving those steam clouds on very low, as you see. There's lots of traffic here on LP2 highway, and we are driving from Tazacorte. Destination is Santa Cruz, port of Santa Cruz. We make a stop over very soon to film the volcano, and then we will continue driving further. This is how it looks today on December 9th. You see a nice weather on La Palma. Volcano definitely is slowing down because there's very little activity, visible activity except of steaming. But lava is still coming. I can already see it from here with shining lava. So it's still running. It was running in the night. It's still running now. Lava rivers coming from the volcano, and they are going above all the flows. You can see that they are in the middle of the lava fields. But if lava keeps running, sooner or later will spill over to the edges, and it's a matter of time. So volcano is steaming, as you see, a lot, and lava is flowing from the volcano. I could see it. It's above all the flows. Very soon we will stop here somewhere. See it. How La Palma looks today. Beautiful day, beautiful morning, December 9th. So we stop here, I think, and we will film the volcano from somewhere here. So we keep driving here along LP2 highway by the volcano. There's Cafe Giardino here passing by, and you see, road is very clean, no ash on the road. Conditions are really nice. Here you see the volcano and the checkpoint, police checkpoint here in Tahuya, and the volcano is behind. You see, it's all in smokes and steam. Lava is still running from the volcano, but you can't approach it with a drone because of the winds. So today is no drone footage, it's just like that. You see, it's very hard to park here all around. It's blocked parking. Ridge that you see there. It's a very good spot to rent a flat or live there because there is no wind in that area. It's really nice weather, non-windy weather next to that ridge, Caldera de Taburiente, here in Arigane Valley, that direction. And El Paso can be still windy because it's close to the volcano. Driving through El Paso now, see, perfect road, no ash whatsoever, like wash it, really. It is immense difference to a month ago, immense. This is like nothing happens here, you don't even see ash. Remember, a month ago we were driving here, it was so much acid, you barely could drive, it was all around piles of ash on the road. But now, it's amazing. driving through the longest tunnel on La Palma Island. You know this tunnel, we drove through it quite a few times, and it runs on the Cumbre Vieja ridge, some 10 kilometers from the volcano, erupting volcano. There had been no eruptions on Cumbre Vieja ridge in hundreds of years, so this is a rather safe tunnel, I would think. Many people live in Santa Cruz and work in Los Llanos, or the opposite, live in Los Llanos and work in Santa Cruz and drive through this tunnel every day to work. Go to the other side of the island, and here it looks like it's wet, or I don't know, some rain, because usually the weather is opposite to the other side of the island. It was sunshine in Tazacorta, and here it's rain, some rain at least. We still have more than 1 hour to our ferry departs at 11:15. Now it's 10:07, so we still have got some time. It's about half an hour left to drive. It's like on Madeira, very often you have rain in the winter time. Well, here it's probably less than on Madeira, because on Madeira it was nearly rainy every day in January. I was there a year ago. But La Palma is less touristic than Madeira. Madeira, of course, is very touristic compared to La Palma, though it's the same size, island of the same size. Maybe even Madeira is smaller. But you see, Madeira is autonomous territory of Portugal, and La Palma is just an island in Canary Archipelago. Anyway, I wish you a nice day wherever you are, or good morning, or good day, good night. Be well, all the best to you.